Hello everyone, I welcome you all in the next lecture of 12th class NCERT Mathematics. In this video lecture, we will discuss question number 7 and 8 of exercise 5.2, chapter 5 differentiability. In my previous videos, I already discussed the continuity, complete continuity and differentiability, some differentiability rule like quotient and chain rule I discussed there and product rule I discussed there. So if you really want to understand the concept, then you can watch them video. Okay, I make the playlist there, you can check on my channel. So without further ado, let's get started our question number 7 and 8. So here question number 7 is, they are saying the function is given as f of x is given as 2 into square root of cot of x square. Okay, cot of x square is given. So how we can differentiate this function? They are saying, so f of x is equal to the, here again we need to apply the chain rule. Okay, 2 cot of x square is there and whole raised to the power 1 by 2 we can write. Okay, so here differentiate above f of x with respect to x we need to differentiate. Okay, with respect to x we need to differentiate. How we can differentiate this fx? So the notation is df upon dx. Either you can use this notation or you can use this notation also, it's your choice. Okay, both the representation of derivative of f. Okay, so here you can take 2 outside and d by dx of cot of x square raised to the power 1 by 2. Here I am applying the chain rule. How? See, here you can see that this is the your actually the outer function is here in the form of x raised to the power. The outer function is in the form of x raised to the power 1 by 2 format. Okay, so first of all what we need to do, here you can see the derivative of this function will be, if we are applying the chain rule, to d by d of cot of x square. With respect to cot of x square we need to differentiate because this is the inner function. Derivative of the outer function with respect to the inner function we need to do. So and here we have cot of x square. Okay, and raised to the power 1 by 2 we have. Now d by dx of, for what we need to do, cot of x square we need to differentiate, but you observe that here in this one the outer function is your cot x and inner function is your x square, so we need to differentiate with respect to x square. Now d by dx of the most inner function, that is x cube, x square, sorry. Okay, now we need to apply our chain rule. Here you can see 2 we have, and here you can see 2, d by dx of cot of x square will come as 1 by 2 cot of x square as it is, and power 1 by 2 minus 1, that you will get minus 1 by 2, you will get minus 1 by 2. Okay, and here you can see d by dx of cot of x square, it will be minus cosec square x square, wait, minus, and here d by dx of this one is 2x. Okay, because d by dx of cot of x is minus cosec square x. Okay, so here you can see this, by this 2 cancel, and here I will write in a simplified manner 2x, or we can write it as minus will be here minus 2x cosec square x square, and in denominator we have square root of cot of x square will come. This is your df upon dx. Okay, this is your df upon dx. So I hope you understood what we need to prove here. This is our answer. This is our answer. Okay, Now move on to the next question. Here you can see we simply applied the chain rule. Okay, derivative of the inner function, derivative of the outer function with respect to the inner function we need to do. Okay, now here you can see your second function we have. What function it is given? The function is f of x is equal to the cos of square root of x is given. Okay, and how we can differentiate again this function? You can see outer function is your cos x and inner function is your root of x. So again differentiate, how we can differentiate above f of x with respect to x, we need to differentiate. And how we can differentiate? I'll write simply df upon dx as d by dx of cos of square root of x. Now what we need to do, we need to apply here again chain rule. And here how we can apply chain rule, I will revise it again. Okay, if you have some problem, see f of g of x, if we have, this is your h of x function. Okay, and suppose we need to differentiate, how we can write this as f of g of x, we can write it as. Okay, so this is your h of x we have. If you want to differentiate, then dh upon dx will be d by dg of f. That means the derivative of this outer function with respect to this inner function, and again the derivative of inner function with respect to x. This thing we need to apply here. Okay, so here how we can apply d by dx, d by d of root of x cos of root x, here we can apply, and here d by dx of root of x. And how we can write it as? We can write it as x raised to the power 1 by 2. Okay, so here how we can differentiate? It will be minus sign of root of x will come, and here 1 by 2 x raised to the power minus 1 by 2, because 1 by 2 minus 1, it will come differentiation. Okay, so this is your df upon dx. Now so it will be minus 1 by 2 root x, or how we can write, wait, how we can write minus sine root x upon 2 square root of x. This is your df upon dx for this new function we have. Okay, so here are, this is the answer of our question number 8. Okay, I hope you understood that what we did here is simply we are applying the chain rule. Okay, because I said in my previous video also that the chain rule is very important for your future also. That means in any competition if you are giving, then if the differentiation topic is there, then guarantee the chain rule they will use. Okay, so I hope you understand both the 7th and 8th question. If you have any doubt in any step, then you can do comments. Okay, I will rectify your query there. Okay, or if still you have problem at the time, then I will make another separate video for that particular question, for that particular query. Okay, thank you for watching.